coming. Flood is coming. Now, you hear a lot of stupid stuff. Everybody has issues or has opinion on issues. Some very, very bad one at that. Somebody mentioned something about clear cutting. I never thought about it. This person said, because of all the clear cutting, that's why we have stronger wind these days. Well, it's been windy since October. We had a very, very early winter. It was cold. See all the water? It's all coming from the woods all over the place. I say there's going to be a huge flood because of the clear cutting. And if there's no flood at all, okay, I'm wrong. But I doubt it. But what about that one? There's more wind. It's more windy because of clear cutting. Personally, I think that's bullshit. Or who knows?